Subtraction of binary numbers. Examples. Number 1. Calculate, leaving your answer in base 2. 1, 1, 1, 0, 1 base 2 minus 1, 0, 1, 1 base 2. Solution. Solution. Now, we have 1, 1, 1, 0, 1. Then minus the arrangement is also based on 100, tens, and units. So you start from the unit, from the back. This is the place value of this is dealing with unit. This is tens, this is hundreds, this is thousand, this is 10,000. So we are going to arrange it based on 100, tens, and unit arrangement. That's the most common one. So we start from the back. Looking at the unit part of this, you have 1, 1, 0, 1. So we take away. Now, under subtraction of binary numbers, you must take note of this. When you are borrowing, once you borrow 1 under number basis operation of subtraction, if you borrow a particular number, when you borrow 1, it means you are borrowing the base. Take note of that. Like in base 2 now that we are dealing with. Once you borrow 1 in base 2, you are borrowing the base, which is 2. Now let's look at the subtraction. 1 minus 1, I'll have 0. Now, I want to take away 1 from this 0. You can see it's not possible. So, I will move to the next number in front of this 0. The next number here is what? Is 1. Now, I will borrow from here. If I borrow 1 from here, it will remain 0. But when I'm bringing down 1 here, don't forget the base we are dealing with. Binary, base 2. So, you will write 2 here. Once you borrow 1 from here, it remains 0. But when you are bringing down 1, you are actually borrowing the base, which is base 2. So in that case, 2 plus 0, that's what? That's 2. 2 minus 1, that is what? That's 1. Now, 0 minus 0, what will I have? 0. 1 minus 1, I will have 0. Then here, nothing, under, so it's still 1. So the answer is 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, base 2. That is the solution